Hello everyone. Let's see another example on parse tree and derivation. So in the question you have been given the production rule that begins with E. It has operator plus, operator multiplication, and it has a terminating symbol ID. The string that you are asked to generate is ID plus ID into ID. So let's start with the derivation first. There is only one variable here, so your starting symbol is E. You want to generate ID plus ID. Because there is plus sign, I'll go for E plus E first. So this is using the substitution rule. E derives E plus E. Now, this E, I will replace it with ID and keep this E as it is. It is always one substitution at a time. So this is using the rule E derives ID. Next, in the string, if you observe, you want this E to be replaced by ID into ID. So to do this, I'm going to use this production rule where I can get multiplication sign. E into E. So this is using the substitution rule, E into E. This E I'm going to replace with ID. As I said, one step at a time. Keep this E as it is. This is the substitution rule. And finally, I'm going to replace this E. This is the required string. Again, using the substitution rule, E derives ID. Now let's see how to draw the parse tree for this. Root node is your starting symbol. I replaced it with E plus E. So there'll be three edges, E plus and E. After that, I replaced E with ID. And then I replaced capital E with E into E. E into E. Then I replace this E with ID. And then I replace this E with ID. So my string is ID plus ID into ID. I'm showing it using dotted lines. This is the required string. I hope you must have understood. Thank you.